In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a custom Webflow CMS blog. Full tutorial 2026. First, open your Webflow project in the designer so you're looking at your site's canvas. This is where your structure and styles live, and it's also your starting point for connecting content. We're going to set up the content engine behind your blog so adding and managing posts becomes fast and consistent. On the left toolbar, click CMS. This opens the content panel for your site. Think of the CMS as a database for your website. It stores structured content like blog posts in collections and lets you reuse that content anywhere on your pages. Next, click the plus icon to add a new CMS collection. A collection is a single content type. Here, that's your blog posts. Each collection contains fields such as title, summary, rich text body, featured image, and categories. These fields define what information each post will hold and how consistently you'll manage it. You'll see collection templates you can use right away, or you can customize your own. If you want a quick start, choose a blog template. It already includes common fields and naming conventions. If you prefer full control, start from scratch and add only the fields you need. Either way, think about the content you'll publish. For example, title and slug are essential. A short description helps with SEO and previews. A rich text field is perfect for the article body. A main image elevates thumbnails, and tags or categories allow easy filtering later. You can adjust field names and settings to match your voice and workflow. When you're ready, click Create Collection. Webflow will set it up and show you the collection's items view. This is your command center for adding and maintaining posts. If you used a template, review the fields and make quick tweaks if needed. Keep slugs readable, use clear field labels, and set helpful editor notes so future you or teammates know exactly what each field is for. After creation, you can add, delete, manage, or edit items from this panel. Click New to add your first post, fill in the fields you defined, and save. Use draft mode while you're writing, then publish when it's ready. You can duplicate an item to speed up similar posts, filter and sort to find content faster, and safely archive items you no longer need without losing history. For images, include descriptive alt text. For categories and tags, stay consistent to keep filtering clean and intuitive. That's it for the setup. You've created a CMS collection for blog posts and set the foundation for a scalable, organized blog. Congratulations.